Hi, my name's Andre. Today, I'm going to show you how you can view your Kubernetes logs in real time, quickly and easily using Kubetail. Kubetail is a logging dashboard for Kubernetes that lets you view the logs for your workloads in an easy-to-use web interface. The easiest way to use Kubetail is to download the CLI tool from Homebrew or GitHub and run the kubetail serve subcommand. This will start a local server and automatically take you to the Kubetail dashboard in your browser, where you can see all of your workloads at a glance, along with their log file sizes and last event timestamps. The dashboard uses your local kubeconfig file to authenticate to your cluster, and you can switch easily between clusters using the cluster chooser in the header. To view the logs for a specific workload, just click on the view link next to the workload name. For example, let's look at the log lines for a fake web server deployment I have running called loggen ANSI. This will open a new tab and take you to the logging console, where you can see the log lines for all the containers in the workload in one timeline, automatically sorted and updated in real time. Let's pause the tail so we can focus on the UI. This particular deployment is running 3 instances of the web server, which is why you see 3 pods starting with the name loggen ANSI in the sidebar. In the main console pane, each log line is color-coded with a dot corresponding to its source container, so you can differentiate between containers easily. Kubetail monitors your workloads in the background and automatically adds and removes pods and containers as they get created and deleted in your cluster. To see older lines, you can just scroll up, or you can just skip to the beginning, or narrow the window by time. For example, let's look at the log records starting from 2 minutes ago. In the sidebar, you can also filter by container or other source properties such as region, zone, or node. Or you can use our newest feature, Search, which is powered by a custom grep executable running inside your cluster. Just type in a search match or regular expression and see the lines that match. There's a lot more you can do in the web interface, but I also wanted to show you another Kubetail feature quickly. Sometimes you just can't beat the power of the terminal for tailing and grepping logs. So to help with that, we added a log subcommand to the CLI. By default, the log subcommand will tail the last 10 lines of your workload logs. For example, here's a tail of the fake web server deployment we were looking at earlier. You can also follow the logs and display source information such as timestamp and source pod. You can do other neat things like grepping and also downloading all the log lines and saving them to a file. That's all I wanted to cover today. I hope you like what we're doing with Kubetail. If you have any suggestions, please send us an email, join us on Discord, or create a GitHub issue. Have fun tailing your logs.